In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a beautiful ambiance to your spa with the Waterfall feature on your Jacuzzi 300 series hot tub. First, tap the screen on your hot tub's control panel to wake it up. Next, press both the 1 and 2 buttons to access the settings for your hot tub. If the Waterfall isn't running, tap the water drop icon. This will activate the circulation system and turn on the Waterfall. To customize the Waterfall, turn the dial located above the Waterfall clockwise to increase or counterclockwise to decrease the flow. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can enjoy the relaxing sounds and visuals of your Waterfall. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more spa tips from The Great Escape.